Had a bump or scrape to your pride and joy? It's bound to happen. Thankfully, now you can reverse scratch and dent damage with a Schmick membership in 5 simple steps. First, take a picture of the damage on your phone. Then, send it to us using the Schmick app. One of our friendly call centre staff will contact you to help book a repair. We'll visit you in the convenience of your home and talk you through the entire process. At just $50 per repair, and in no time at all. Your car will look good as new and be ready for your final sign-off. Schmick, Scratch and Dent Assist.